Hello my foodie friends, and welcome back to another edition of In the Kitchen with Karen. It's already the middle of January, so we are going to continue on our low carb healthy meals, and today I'm going to be making for you spinach and artichoke stuffed chicken breasts. Now I don't know about you, but when I go to a party and I see that they're serving spinach or artichoke dip, I'm so excited. I love that stuff. But the bad part is that you generally have bread that you dip in it or crackers. So today we're going to be making the same kind of filling but stuffing it in a chicken breast. So we're going to get that same yummy taste without all the carbs. So let's get cooking. The first thing we're going to need is a can of artichoke bottoms. Now you can also get artichoke hearts, but I find the bottoms are way better. They're a little bit more expensive, but they're totally worth it. So this is just one 14-ounce can, and we're going to chop them up. Now after you chop these, they're going to still have a lot of moisture. So what we want to do is place them in some paper towel. And we're just gonna wring out any excess liquid that might be on them. So I'm just gonna take this over to the sink and squeeze out any of the liquid. So as you can see, they're nice and dry now. A lot of liquid came out when I was squeezing it. So if you don't get all the liquid out, your cheese mixture is gonna be too runny. Next, I took a 10-ounce box of frozen spinach and thawed it. Then, I also did the same thing. I squeezed out all the moisture because a frozen spinach has so much liquid in it, and it should be completely dry like this. And then we're just gonna add that to the bowl. Next, I'm adding a half a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. A half a cup of parmesan cheese, one tablespoon of drained red mild pimientos. These are just diced red peppers, just to give it some nice little color. 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. And 2 tablespoons of Knorr vegetable recipe soup mix. And now we're going to mix this all together really well. Okay, you guys, I think I have this really nice and mixed now, so this is how it should look. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and season our chicken breast. We're gonna need, for this recipe, 4 chicken breasts, but as you can see right here, I only have 3. I thought I had 4, but it's still gonna work. We're just gonna have a little bit of extra filling left over. So when you make it, get 4 breasts. And first we're gonna season each side with a little bit of Italian seasoning. And a light sprinkle of garlic salt. And now with the sharpest knife you can find, we're gonna go ahead and make a pocket in the side. Now we just want it to go not all the way through, just like that. And now we're gonna take some of the stuffing and put it in each one. So it looks like that. So we have them all filled, and as you can see, they're not all the same size, but that's perfectly okay because you know sometimes when you get chicken breasts at the store, they're so large and other times they're small. But just kind of work with whatever size you have. If it's too big, just cut it in half. And then like I said, it ended up probably being only half of the filling I used because I only have this amount of chicken. But I would say just 2 more pieces like this and it will use up all the filling. Now in a pan, we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And now we're gonna place our chicken in the pan. We're gonna leave these in here to brown for about 5 minutes on each side. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes, and now I'm gonna add 2 ounces of white wine and the juice of half of a lemon. So now with the wine and the lemon juice in with the chicken, we are gonna put it in the oven at 375 for 20 minutes or until it reaches 165 degrees. So this has been cooking covered at 375 for 20 minutes. I took the temperature and it was 170 degrees. So it's more than done. And now when it cooked, look, it made this nice little sauce that we can spoon over the top. And there you have it, our spinach artichoke stuffed chicken breast. So now to pair with our chicken, I have chosen to make some steamed carrots, and I made a lime butter honey sauce to go with it. And that is just a tablespoon of melted butter, tablespoon of honey, and a tablespoon of lime juice. And just mix that into a sauce and pour it over cooked carrots. It's really delicious. So you know what time it is. Time to try our chicken. So yummy. Tastes just like regular artichoke spinach dip, but it's nice because it has the wine and the lemon in it, so it has a little bit of tanginess too. And the chicken is nice and tender. It's not dried out at all. It's really good. So I would really encourage you guys to make this. I think you're gonna love it. Obviously it's super low carb. It's decadent because it has the cheesy filling. So if you like this video, I hope you'll share it with your friends, give it a like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I would sure appreciate it. So thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next episode. Bye everybody.